Hello, welcome back to our channel where we simplify the world of trading for you. In today's video, we are going to look at a very crucial concept that can make or break your trading strategy. Trade continuation. What exactly is a trade continuation? A trade continuation is when the price of a pair continues to move in its current direction, upward for an uptrend or downward for a downtrend after a brief pause or a consolidation period. I'm also going to give you 3 mistakes that you should avoid while trading this continuation. Mistake number 1 is ignoring volume. Volume is a very important aspect. Without it, the continuation might be weak. Second, overtrading. If you overtrade, not every consolidation is going to be leading to a consolidation, to a continuation. So be selective and wait for a strong signal. Thirdly, neglecting the market news. So always put into consideration these events that might impact the trend. With that, let's get onto the charts and see some examples. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to leave us with that thumbs up. Yes, here on the charts, we are looking at the British pound, Japanese yen, and we are seeing that it is giving us a downtrend on the 1 minute. We are having some bit of consolidation here. The market has created a lower low there. After that brief consolidation, the market is giving us this impulsive move to the downside, which is giving us our trend, which is confirming to us our downtrend. And at this point, the market here is forming support. After the market finishing creating that support level, we are seeing that the market is going into a consolidation phase, or the market is moving sideways. I normally trade on the 1 minute time frame during the London session. When I'm having the London session active, we shall be having the volume. If you're having volume, we are most likely to have a continuation of that trend if you get the clear signals. So here we are seeing that the market is giving us our consolidation, or the market moving sideways. So the market is moving sideways and it is creating this level here, and that is going to be our lower low. We are going to consider that zone as a new lower low. So at this point in time, what are you waiting for? We want to see volume kicking in. We want to see some sellers coming in to confirm to us that we are going to have a continuation to a downside. After having our consolidation, and the market has created this level here, we are seeing that the market is respecting this zone, so we are going to have it as our lower low. As we continue moving, we are seeing that the market is coming back to the same level again, and then after coming back to the same level, it is giving us this long momentum candle, which is showing us that there is volume in the market. If you're having volume, we're having high chances of having a continuation to a downside. So after getting this candle, this big momentum candle to the downside, we are going to come and take our sells. We are going to take our sells on the closure of that candle, and then we are going to be placing our stop loss above this level here, and then we shall be aiming for some 20 pips to the downside. If you continue, we are seeing that we're having a very beautiful trade. That is how basically we are trading the trade continuations. Thanks for watching. If you've found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon such that you never miss an update. Drop your questions and comments below. We love hearing from you. Happy trading. Until next time, keep learning, stay profitable, and take control of your financial future.